Good evening, everyone. I'm just doing a quick unboxing video. This is the prize I got from Pa's Spare Time from his 10,000 subscriber giveaway. And I was just going to do a little unboxing and a little show and tell what it is. So basically, this was the grand prize that was on his stream. So yeah, here's just a couple stickers that I've had from the past. Just in case you haven't been to Pa's Spare Time, there's a little QR code. They'll take you right there. So feel free to scan that. There's the Pa's Spare Time, Grandma's Cookies, and the Coin Samyak stickers. I've had those from past giveaways. So I'm going to go ahead and take the item out of the box, and I will get back to you in a second. Alright, so I got most of it out of the box. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. Alrighty. No, it's backwards. So here's the box. There was just gonna get that out of there. So basically, this is the 68 to 2015 proof set for the Jefferson Nichols. So yeah, starts at 68, ends in 2025, including as all the. Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah. Thank you, Pa. This will be greatly appreciated and enjoyed by me and possibly other generations. Again, if you haven't checked out Pa's Spare Time, there's the stickers again. There's the QR code. Yeah. So yeah, check them out. Drop a like and subscribe if you haven't to Pa's Spare Time. You'll greatly appreciate it, and make sure you leave a comment, because sometimes if you subscribe and don't leave a comment, YouTube will take that off. So take care, much love and respect. Hope you all have a great week. Stay safe, responsible, and take care.